Black smoke drifted across the Mogadishu skyline on Monday after a plane crash landed at an airport in the Somali capital. Footage from the scene showed the Juba Airways plane upside down next to the runway, having apparently flipped over on landing. No deaths were reported, and according to the BBC citing local officials, all those on board, more than 30 passengers, were rescued. Firefighters have been working to extinguish the flames. The domestic flight had been traveling from the city of Baidoa to Mogadishu.